Hello everyone. Welcome to English with Stories. Today's story is called The Secret of Real Happiness. Once there was a young boy named Armin. Armin always complained. If it rained, he was unhappy. If it was too hot, he was unhappy. If someone criticized him, he felt sad. He believed that happiness depended on perfect situations. One day, he met an old gardener named Mr. Kareem. The old man was smiling while watering beautiful flowers. Armin asked, "Sir, why are you always smiling? Don't you have problems?" The old man laughed softly. He said, "Of course I do. Every person has problems." Armin looked surprised. "Then how can you stay happy?" The old man picked up 2 seeds. He placed one seed in rich soil. The other seed was planted in dry soil. After a few weeks, the first plant grew quickly. The second plant grew slowly, but both plants were alive. The old man smiled and said, "Life is like these plants. Some people get easy situations. Others face difficult situations. But both can grow." Armin listened carefully. The old man continued, "Happiness is not waiting for perfect weather. It is learning to smile while facing storms." That day, Armin decided to change. Instead of complaining every morning, he started writing 3 things he was thankful for. My family, my health, my chance to learn. Slowly, his mind became peaceful. His problems did not disappear, but his attitude changed. People noticed that Armin smiled more. He became kinder. He became stronger. One day, a friend asked him, "What changed you?" Armin smiled and replied, "I stopped waiting for a perfect life. I started appreciating the life I already have." Real happiness does not come from perfect situations. It comes from a grateful heart and a positive attitude. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, share and subscribe to English with Stories. See you in the next story. Goodbye.